Getting started with graphic design in 2026 is easier than ever. These AI tools can help beginners create professional designs without any experience. Starting at number 5 is remove.bg, a simple yet powerful tool that removes image backgrounds in one click. Just upload your image, hit Remove Background, and your clean PNG is ready to use. At number 4 is Color Hunt, a go-to resource for finding beautiful color combinations. It offers a huge library of ready-made palettes. Just pick a theme, copy the color codes, and use them in your designs. Number 3 is Pinterest, perfect for design inspiration. Simply search for any style or concept, explore endless ideas, and download references to guide your creative process. Coming in at number 2 is ChatGPT, which helps generate detailed prompts and creative ideas. You can even upload a reference design and ask for a refined prompt to recreate or improve it. And finally, at number 1 is Ideogram, an all-in-one design tool that combines creativity and generation. By using prompts, even ones created with ChatGPT, you can generate high-quality designs, set ratios, add references, and get multiple outputs instantly. Just choose your favorite and download it. These tools make graphic design simple, fast, and accessible for anyone starting out.